Being pregnant is such a wonderful experience, and again, as a mother, you have to take care of your child throughout your pregnancy period, your unborn child actually, throughout your pregnancy period, for you to have a healthy child at the end and a healthy you. For you to do this, there are several things that you have to take with caution. Actually, there are several things again you'll have to avoid for you to have this successful journey in pregnancy. What are these things? Welcome back to the Nursing Moms. Nursing Moms is a space where we discuss women's health, children's health, and any other health education. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe so that we move together as a family. In this video here today, I'm going to share with you a list of things that you have to avoid during pregnancy for you to have a successful pregnancy journey and a healthy baby at the end. Number one, avoid taking very hot showers or high temperature baths. If you loved hot sauna baths during your pre-pregnancy period, then during this period you have to limit it. Hot temperatures are known for causing dehydration and lowering blood pressure. All these are not okay with your baby. They can cause major harm to your baby. The second thing to avoid again is extreme sport and any other strenuous activities. As much as during pregnancy you are supposed to be active, again, you don't have to do like overdoing it. You have to do things moderately. If it's sport, just take the light activities. Putting any strain on your abdomen during pregnancy is a risk to your pregnancy. Another important thing to look on is on the food. What kind of food are you supposed to avoid during pregnancy? Number one is unpasteurized dairy products. There is high chances of getting bacterial infection if you are using unpasteurized dairy products. Another thing to avoid during pregnancy is undercooked or raw meat. Yeah, there's some people who are used to eating the rare, the medium stick. All these is very sweet before pregnancy, but again during pregnancy there is high chances of getting infected from this kind of meat, and these infections are not so good with your pregnancy. Another thing to avoid totally during pregnancy is self-medication, that is use of the over-the-counter drugs. Try as much as you can to avoid using the over-counter drugs. Unless prescribed by the doctor, you don't know the harmful side effects of these kind of drugs to your baby. Unless prescribed the doctor, do not use any drug bought by yourself. Avoid sitting for a very long time in the same position during pregnancy. If at all it's about sitting, try to change positions like after every 2 hours to enable blood circulation throughout your body. If you sit for a very long time, more than 2 hours in the same position, there is high chances of getting complications like edema. Avoid use of alcohol during pregnancy. Throughout your pregnancy period, there is no safe amount of alcohol, nor safe time that an alcohol can be used during pregnancy. Alcohol is associated with very fatal complications like low birth weight, preterm labor, or even defects like heart defects. So you have to try and avoid use of alcohol. Avoid smoking and use of any harmful drugs. Smoking is also associated with low birth weight, defects, or even preterm labor. So you don't have to predispose your child to any kind of smoke or any kind of drug use. Try and avoid as much as you can if you are previously a smoker. Avoid using coffee or minimize the amount of coffee intake during pregnancy. If at all you have to take coffee, please do not exceed the recommended amount, that is 200 milligrams per day. Avoid fast food during pregnancy. Actually, during pregnancy, you really need to eat healthy. Healthy eating is not part of eating fast food. The fast food, the French fries, those oily foods, they're not well cooked. You need to eat nutritionally well prepared meals, preferably home prepared meals during pregnancy. This will give yourself enough time to balance your vitamins, your proteins, and even your carbohydrates during pregnancy. Avoid sleeping on your back during pregnancy. As much as it can seem to be very comfortable during pregnancy to sleep on your back, It's not healthy because the abdominal weight will be putting much pressure on major blood vessels that is transporting oxygenated blood to the fetus. This leads to cut of oxygenated blood supply to the fetus, causing major complications like intrauterine fetal death. As much as you can, please avoid sleeping on your back during pregnancy. The best position to sleep during pregnancy is sleeping on your left. Try to sleep on your sides during pregnancy, preferably the left. Avoid lifting heavy loads during pregnancy. Lifting heavy loads will put much strain on your back and you might have constant back pain. Another complication that can arise from lifting heavy loads is preterm labor. You can even have injury during your pregnancy period. So avoid wearing high heels during pregnancy. Yes, as much as they can look fancy during pregnancy, you are at risk of one, having your back pain, and two, you are at risk of fall and injury. With all this, thank you for watching. We wish you a nice pregnancy journey and safe delivery. Bye.